Welcome to Vietnam! Wow! Yes! Experience ko ang yung street na dumaan ang train. Kasama sila Venus at si Perla. So, 1 hour na lang yung walking tour namin. I think magta-try pa kami ng mga ibang dishes. We're going now. Here. Ah, okay. Yes, may spring rolls ako. Thank you.
Vietnam for spring roll.
Oh my God. Uy, jam, mas masarap to. Crispy. Sobrang sarap. Wow.
Real noodle soup.
Okay.
Real one, traditional one, not popular one on the show.
Ah, okay.
It's a real one, okay? So you can take picture and first and then I come. Anh đi đánh giày thôi, học cho họ. Đến với bác. In Vietnam, at the moment, almost restaurant they offer you the noodle soup on these bowls.
Okay.
And then on this one, they have everything.
Ah,
The
okay.
noodle, the meat, the onion, and noodle soup water inside.
Okay.
And then you can start eating. But this family they offer is a bit different. It's a real noodle soup because they're using the 2 bowls.
Okay.
On the first one, like this one, we also have noodle, meat, onion, but remember, no noodle soup inside.
Ah, okay.
And then you have more what? More vegetable, more peanut, more fish.
Okay.
But remember, no water soup inside. So that's why you can get the very original tasty. And then after noodle, you have another bowl like this one. On
Okay.
this one, you have this is the tofu. This is the crabs.
Okay.
This is the fish. This is the beef.
Okay.
And this onion. And this the main thing. It's a noodle.
Ah, okay. Wow.
So this one, you can buy everywhere. Maybe at the home you also have it. But good or not good depending on how they make this one. They mix how they mix and how they make the soy sauce inside the box and put on here.
Okay.
So that's why this family very famous in Hanoi, even on the TV. Okay.
Okay.
So now you can mix and eating. But if you want more spicy, you can add more spicy.
Okay.
If you don't,
Hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick. Pero oh my God, ang sarap. Look guys, naubos kang sarap. The best noodles. So yummy. Ah, okay. So tapos na yung walking tour ko. Pabalik na ako ng hotel. Wow. Parang nakakatakot. Wow. Ah, ito yung market. So, tapos na yung rampa ko dito sa Hanoi. Pagdating ko ng hotel, mag-prepare ako ng aking gamit. Until 6 o'clock in the evening, pa-airport na ako. So, hindi ko na nabisit yung cathedral ng St. Joseph. It means babalik ako dito Kasi gusto rin makita ni mama. Wow. Bumaba ako saglit kasi bumili ako ng souvenirs. Parang ang ganda dun, oh. Makapasyal saglit kasi medyo maaga pa.